Hey guys, so time check. It's 1:55 a.m. I just got home from a very long day. And this video is basically a big thank you message to all the fans that contributed to the Mall Globe. So lahat ng Lance Free, Celestials, Ates, Titas, Cheers, International, and to all people who made the Mall Globe really possible and very beautiful, no? I'm very thankful for each and every one of you na nag-effort na para matuloy itong MOA Globe na to. And me and Aubrey are just so grateful to have you guys as our support system too. Kasama rin kayo doon. And maraming salamat rin po sa mga sumuporta sa akin sa PressCon and sa mga susunod kong projects. Abangan nyo na lang po yun. And I can't wait to show you guys more of what I can do and what I can, sasabog na ako, sorry. What I can offer to you guys more. And I'm so excited for that. So really a big thank you to all people who made the MOA Globe possible and sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin ng PressCon. And I love you guys and I hope to meet you all soon. Good night.